Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the avatar page error in Roblox. This issue usually happens due to temporary server glitches or corrupted browser data. First, open Roblox in your browser and go to the avatar page. If you see the error, look for the option labeled Redraw and click it. Then check if the avatar page loads properly. If this does not fix the issue, the next step is to clear browsing data. Click on the three-dot menu in your browser and go to Settings. Now go to Privacy and Security, then select Delete Browsing Data. From here, set the time range to the maximum possible. Make sure all of the options are checked, just like so. Keep in mind that this will log you out of your account, so make sure you remember your Roblox login details. Now click on Delete Data. Once done, restart your browser. After your browser opens again, go to Roblox and log into your account. Then try opening the avatar page again. The error should now be resolved. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the Roblox avatar page error by using the redraw option and clearing browser data. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Stack tutorial video.